So I just start from the middle. I started twisting it like this so I get a better grip on it. And get it on the hook, close the latch, bring it through. And then bring one side through. That wasn't perfect, but. So now I got these two pieces right here. I'm going to take my hair and split it into two. And I'm going to just pull it where I can retighten that rubber band. Now I'm going to go ahead and slick my hair out with this Shine Jam and see. Because I noticed with the gel, my hair is still pretty puffy. Especially towards the end. So I'm going to see. The only thing I was scared of with the Shine Jam was I didn't want it too straight. Because I still wanted to be able to wrap around the twist with no problems. But let me just add this on here. And then we'll see. Alright, so here go my two pieces of hair. They're really flat, except right here at the roots. So I'm going to try to put my hair kind of like inside the twist, like that. And then on this side, I'm going to do the same. Try to just put my hair, camouflage it like inside of the twist as much as I can. Alright, so now I got my two strands of hair. I'm just going to go ahead and start twisting. I can tell it gets thick right here, where my hair is ending off, like where it's really puffy at. I'm just going to keep twisting down. I love this hair because it wraps around itself, so you don't have to worry about it unraveling or making sure the ends are feathered or anything like that. All right, almost at the end. I try to make sure I go as far as I can, and then once I can't go anymore, I just twist it around my finger like that, and I'll just cut those little ends off. But my scissors aren't in here, so this is what this one is looking like. So